Alright, so here's what I got. Dug a hole in there, made me a makeshift water thing going out. I'll take care of it all better later. We have to get a support right here and then take it out there behind the shop there, or what's going to be the shop, hopefully by the end of this summer. It's going to be, there's a culvert back there that runs all the way along the back of the fence line here, all the way out to the road. So that's what the plan is. So drilled some holes in my bucket so I can get water in there and keep gravel out. So let's see what we can do. Riser's a little high, but that's what it'll be in the next one here when we get in the other one. So I had to glue it on nectar here. Right now I'm not gonna glue anything. Hopefully that don't hurt me too much, although I have a feeling it will. So if I have that in there, right about there. Oh, the wrong side. Alright, so here's what we got. We got this bad boy draining. Water table getting down pretty good. They'll probably kick off pretty soon because of the float. It's not in the ground very deep. That's why you have to bury it that deep. So, that being said, it's time to move over here. Start doing this bad boy. So, let's see where we're at. No, you don't want to watch me jackhammer a whole lot, but it's kind of a necessity right now. So I don't want to be jackhammering. It makes you feel any better. Alright. Whew. It's tingly. Getting down there. Pretty good. So, I'm going to finish doing this. I think I'm going to extend it out a little bit more, just so when I dig the hole 3 foot deep, it's not going to cave in on the sides and leave me no support under my concrete. So I'm going to dig it a little bit bigger, but I'll be back. Maybe the kids will be here to help me out by the time I'm done with this. So, see you later.
Welcome to Home Improvements with Dad.
AKA Mike.
And Kaylee.
And Dill Dog.
Alright, here we are. Over here, we got
A mess.
a mess. I gotta get the water down more.
Wait. Dad, can I go right here? Run and jump.
No.
No,
So, we gotta
no, Dad.
drop the
relax.
water a little more so I can sink our barrel in there. But first, I don't like having all this tubing running everywhere, so we're going to start burying all that, putting it where it's going to go for good. So we got to cut a hole in the side of the house right now. So that's our priority. So let's do that.
This is gonna be bad. Look at me! It's Teo! I mean Limbo. Limbo.
Can you do it?
Look!
Do it. That's not how you do it.
Yes, it is! I did it! So, what are we doing?
Okay.
Oh, no.
Cut hole. Here goes nothing.
So far.
Can I hold the camera?
No.
Dad, can I hold the camera?
What?
Because I want to. It's a cool new camera. That is loud. Dad,
What?
that is loud.
Yeah. Loud power tools are cool.
Rebar can look like a fence. Sometimes it's used
So
as
we
a
gotta get through that
fence.
rebar now.
Maybe we should do that off camera.
Yeah. So we'll be back. Sign out.
Peace out.
Bye.